Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainment. So if you're getting any problem such as Snapchat media upload problem, so if you're getting such error, you just simply go find Snapchat app, press on it, press on Snapchat, go in Snapchat setting and simply you can click on uninstall. You just installed it, okay? It is installed. Now go in Google Chrome or any browser. So here you just need to download older version of Snapchat. Once you download older version of Snapchat, your problem will be fixed. So I simply typed here Snapchat older version, search it. Now you can see Snapchat old version, all versions are here. On the top of the first link only, you can see first link only. I clicked on it. So you can see all old versions are showing here, right? So you can click on this. Okay, you can see download Snapchat, download APK. I clicked on it. Download anyway. It is click on details. You can see it is downloading. You can see update, app installed. Now open it. Continue with Google or sign up. I choose my ID. Continue as Meta Singh. Continue. Allow. Allow. Allow Snapchat to send you notifications. Allow. Allow. So you can put here all the information about your birthday and all. I continued here. So I choose any random details here. Continue. So you just need to put your password and you now click on finish. Confirm your number, OTP number. Now you can see. So problem is resolved. So this is how you can resolve the problem, and if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.